Unraveling Idioms, the true meaning of cry fowl. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, those quirky phrases that native speakers love to use. In this video, we'll unpack the meaning behind the phrase, cry fowl, and its correct usage in English. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about idiomatic expressions, stay tuned to become more idiom-savvy. Before we delve into our phrase, let's clear up a common mistake. The actual idiom is cry fowl, not cry fowl. It's easy to confuse the two, especially since fowl refers to birds, which could be associated with the idea of making a noise. However, fowl is a term that means something is wrong or unfair. The phrase, cry fowl, has its roots in sports, where it was used to call attention to unfair play. Picture a game where a player alerts the referee to a rule being broken. Foul here is used as an adjective to describe wrongful conduct. When someone cries foul, they are essentially raising an alarm about an injustice or wrongdoing. Now let's look at how to use this phrase in everyday language. You cry foul when you want to protest against something that you believe is unfair or illegitimate. For example, when the company laid off many employees without notice, the union cried foul. If someone cheats in a game, you might cry foul to highlight the cheating. Remember, crying foul implies a sense of injustice and the expectation that the issue should be addressed or corrected. Let's go through some sentences to see how this idiom fits into conversation. The citizens cried foul when the election results were delayed without explanation. The players cried foul when the referee missed a clear penalty. Using cry foul in a sentence shows that you are not just unhappy about something, but you are also calling it out as unfair or not right. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, cry foul. Remember, this phrase is all about calling attention to something you believe is wrong. It's a powerful expression that conveys a strong sense of injustice. We hope this video has been informative and that you can now confidently use cry foul in your English conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you next time!